Yes, people, we are still here in Pattaya, Thailand. Tonight, we're having a look around Thepprasit market. We've never been here before. We're going to grab something to eat, have a look at all the genuine knockoff stuff, and yeah, all that good stuff. And then we've got over there. She is still full. There's even a section that's indoors. Lots of food vendors as well. Huge. Probably the biggest food market that I've been to. So that was just one row, and have a look. Look how many rows there is. Wow, this is all food. This one, they scoop the live things, little prawns, and just stick them on top of your salad and they jump around. Yay.
I watched that yesterday and I was like, oh my god, no.
No thank you. I've seen it before. Pattaya spaghetti. Chicken, beef, pork, sticky rice, Isan sausages. Moo pad kapow with egg, and I've got a feeling it's going to be like a food challenge. It's going to be so spicy. Yeah, that's Thai spicy. Back over the other side of the market and looking at the genuine knockoffs. Gucci, Christian Dior, Versace, all genuine. Got myself a genuine Louis Vuitton top, obviously, genuine, honest. Gonna have a quick look at the pet section. Look at the puppies and the kittens.
And the chickens.
And the chickens and the monkeys. And the meerkats.
And the bats.
And bats. Pet bats. Oh, little kitties. Little kitty cat. Oh.
There's the husky.
Husky. Oh, lush. This is a whole line of pets.
Hello. I know. I see you.
Pet pig. Well, there you have it, folks. We're back home. That was Thepprasit Market. See you on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, hit like, comment, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job.